Navigating the world with Google Maps API. Google Maps has revolutionized navigation. Its API enables developers to create custom mapping apps with rich features. In this post, we'll explore the Google Maps API and its use in creating engaging and interactive mapping apps. The Google Maps API allows integration of Google Maps into applications, providing interactive features such as search, zoom, and directions. It's free to use, and online resources are available to help developers get started. Geocoding is a powerful feature of the Google Maps API. It converts addresses into geographic coordinates. This allows markers to be placed on maps at specific locations, and distances and directions calculated between different points. Custom overlays are another useful feature of the Google Maps API. They are graphical elements placed on top of maps to provide additional information to users, such as nearby restaurants or hiking trail points of interest. The Google Maps API also supports Street View, providing users with panoramic images of streets and cities at ground level. Developers can integrate Street View into their applications to provide a more immersive experience. In conclusion, the Google Maps API is a powerful tool for creating interactive and personalized mapping applications. Whether for a website, mobile app, or desktop application, the Google Maps API offers endless possibilities to enhance your project. Start exploring the potential of the Google Maps API today. That's all.